Running a cleaning business? You've got enough on your plate. Managing jobs, leading your crew, keeping customers happy, it's a full-time job. So when it comes to marketing, doing it yourself might seem like the obvious choice. But here's the truth. DIY marketing often costs more than it saves. First, time. Even one ad campaign can take hours to build, test, and troubleshoot. That's time you're not quoting jobs, training staff, or growing your business. Second, results. Most DIY marketing falls flat because it's based on guesswork. You're not sure if it's working, and you're definitely not seeing steady leads. Third, you're missing opportunities. Local SEO, automated follow-ups, and Google reviews. These are real tools that competitors are using right now to get ahead. Fourth, your branding feels scattered. If your website says one thing and your social media says another, it sends mixed signals. That kind of inconsistency erodes trust. And last, marketing changes fast. Keeping up with trends, tools, and platforms, that's a job in itself. So how do you know when it's time to bring in help? If you're spending more than 5 to 10 hours a week on marketing, if leads aren't coming in consistently, or if your growth feels stuck and unpredictable, it might be time. Hiring a professional doesn't mean giving up. It means getting serious. You focus on running your cleaning business. Let a trusted expert focus on growing it. Your business is valuable, and your marketing should reflect that too, because your time is valuable.